Coming in on the bottom. Look at the move on the bottom. Is that an Arkansas car? Don't forget our concession stands are open on both sides. We got hamburgers, cheeseburgers, barbecue, hot dogs. We got one. And there is your race winner, Bobby Blackburn. He has survived. He has survived to come home the winner of this feature. Absolute crazy race. Get that smile on. This winner, the winner, will be a modified feature tonight at Beckley Speedway. Alright, there's your winner in the Park Center Sporting Goods SCDRA 4 cylinders. Raven Sign in the 17X.
Buddy Brogan. Number one, buddy. How do you feel? I mean, that was a tough race. There's got a lot of wrecks going on. How'd you manage to get through it?
I just hope for the best. That's it. Yeah, the car broke in the heat race, and it's barely hanging on right now. So it was just hoping for the best. That's it.
You did good, man. We're proud of you. $1,200 richer. Precision suspension really stepped up with Beckley Motor Speedway also with Sammy Speaks and gave that extra money away. And we love doing that. We love having you here. And you put on a good show for the fans. What do y'all think? Buddy Brogan here, buddy. You're number one. Give him a hand. Let him know. $1,200 richer. And you earned it, didn't you?
Thank you. I appreciate everybody coming out. Appreciate my crew working their butt off. But that's it. Appreciate the money, is all I can say.
All right, we're looking forward to seeing you next week. All right, guys, congratulations.
Alright, there's your winner in the Pro 8 Mile Division tonight at Beckley Motor Speedway. From Kannapolis, North Carolina, Stephen Padilla and the Buddy Jr. All right, Beckley Motor Speedway, give that young man a hand for winning this Pro 8 Mile feature. From Kannapolis, North Carolina, Stephen Padilla and the Buddy Jr. Great job, young man. There's your winner out of Milton, West Virginia, Ryan Bryce, in that 36 car. Congratulations, young man. That'll be all for us tonight at Beckley Motor Speedway. We appreciate each and every one of you for coming out and hanging out with us. Please be safe on your way home, and we will see you next week. Bye-bye.